This is a salt glaze in watercolor. It takes a great deal of patience. You have to wait for it to dry completely. And while it's drying, it looks like it isn't going to come out right. This came out so pretty this morning. This is what we did last night at Resin in our Waterbending 101 workshop. Looks like an the octopus's garden, right? Looks like a nice big fish here on the water and coral and stuff down here. And I'm not sure what this is. I think it's a big foot of a clam. Yeah, here, very, very light. Some stuff can go on top of this. No problem. So once these are dry, you can put washes, kind of like this wash, right over them. This one will be a little bit of a problem because there's so much blue in here. If you go over it, this blue probably will lift, but maybe not. I think maybe I'll work with that and see what happens. These are, I guess, the Van Gogh watercolors from the South Bay Artists Collective and the South Bay Youth Art Program at Resin Gallery in Hermosa Beach.